That's
so fucking dumb, dude. I don't understand that.
I guess it's for queue times? Is that what they did? I don't remember why they did it.
So that you wouldn't have the highest ranked people basically creating ultimate team comps.
So now you just don't have team comp.
Well, so you wouldn't have like
It's like saying
all the top ranking
it's
against...
like saying the Golden State Warriors are too good, so we're canceling basketball.
I'm okay with that. It's fucking hilarious.
I don't
Guys, we're
know.
just gonna do the sim strat again.
Sim? What's this sim strat?
Do not deviate from the plan, and victory will be ours.
Well, hey man.
Yeah,
I don't understand why
that's
that's,
what they're trying to avoid.
that's so fucking dumb though. It's like the game is made to be played as a 6-stack. So what if the best 6-stacks was... It's just so...
So we go upstairs and then go to the
I don't know
statue,
who to play.
Whichever direction they're not, we go the other way. Whichever.
I just figure if there's anyone up top like a Widow, I can at least try to help them.
Push forward, not
push
teleport
forward.
through them.
We can if you want. Go right, go right. My shield's a half. You can TV right there.
Take it.
Go, go, go. Shield's breaking. Run. Push in. Put the Anna. Get the Anna.
I got her.
Sigma 1, Sigma 1, Sigma 1, Sigma 1.
Mercy
Keep going.
one.
Push through the shield.
Take one. Hanzo behind. Where's Sarissa? Where's the Hanzo?
down.
He's on the left.
I'm down.
Hanzo left side.
I got him.
Nice, you. Good take. Nice work.
Thanks for coming to help, Redemption.
I was like, who the hell is he fighting over?
The slippery fucking
Anna.
Yeah,
Anna with
please.
the
Side. Go ahead, Annie. Yeah, but...
And also we have. Close to bat pistol.
I'm gonna go up top and land on them.
Okay. Let me know when. Give us a countdown.
Hey, let's teleport through. You guys ready?
Alright.
Yeah. TP, go.
That works too.
It was low. I'm on Sigma.
Hanzo 1.
I'm down. You guys are down. Main tank.
Hanzo 1.
Yeah, this is a
Sigma
good
1,
idea.
Sigma 1.
I like the TP behind him, or.
I'm slept. Genji on point. Get the Mercy though.
Did you have Shadow this fight?
The Genji behind us.
He's one. He's down.
Anna down. Genji's still up here.
Alright.
I can teleport us through him again if we just...
Okay. They're with you. I have Shadow soon. Mercy one.
Well,
He's you, dude. Watch out, Bart, behind you. He's really low. Boy, real low.
Watch dragons.
Listen down.
Alright, it's capped.
It's got bad spawn. Rissa got bad spawn. Left side. Focus Rissa.
Coming, I'm a little slow.
Pursuit too. Bert, I can't.
Back out.
You guys have no main tank.
Malice, you're back there alone.
Try to combo grab Doom Pistol. Call it out together.
Watch for
Coming
Widowmaker.
back.
Okay.
Who's that
okay.
Reaper behind?
Where is he?
Yeah, he ran off, but he's...
They do have a Widow. Watch out.
Yeah, we need people on points that can like...
Yeah. Just push it up into the corner. Widow's still up top. Widow's half.
I'm gonna grab when the shield goes out.
Can I get a shield? So...
I do a shatter. I'm down. I got knocked off.
Arista's low. Down.
Monkey coming in, watch out. Alright, they're ulting. Stay on this side of the shield.
I do have shatter. We need to
Reaper coming in, Reaper.
She's got sights
group
now.
up.
Fucking hate it, man.
Group up. We need a full 6.
Whichever that would.
She rotated over to the right side, so she's got sight.
Our sights are down. Sights are down.
Yeah, Widow top right.
I see
I'm
her.
gonna shatter as soon as that wrist plays another bear.
Reaper one, Reaper.
I'm gonna shatter. Go, 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 go.
He's down.
Focus wrist, focus wrist, focus wrist. So low, we're so low, we're slow. There's a Widow
Widow's
top.
one.
I see her, I see her. Here. Reaper no right, no right, no right.
He might have.
Reaper one, Reaper one.
Okay,
Nice.
whatever.
We're good, we're good. Come on, stand card, stand card, stand card. Stand card.
Back a little bit, Bert.
Back up, back up, back up, back up. Back up, back up,
Monkey
back up.
coming in, monkey coming in.
Widow far side.
Pop her
Widow
map,
far
pop her
side.
map.
Widow's still far side, watch out.
Let's keep it going.
Warrior on the right.
Let them up.
Reaper left, Reaper left.
You down, main tank.
should have
Go main
Mercy,
tank.
mercy, mercy, mercy.
Down heal. There's a down two, down two. Down three. Should back out.
Can't.
Reset, reset, reset.
It's not my time.
Okay.
Alright, we're gonna switch.
We can easily get a grab, do pistol.
Okay.
Come on.
I'll use the ult. We have 5 minutes, I guess.
We have plenty of time. Let's
Widow's
go left
still
side
on
this
the
time.
Top
Let's
right.
go left side, left
She's
side,
got
left side.
sights, don't go anywhere, she's got sights.
Left side,
Yeah.
left side, left side.
Wait till 4:30. It's down at 4:30.
We can still path a little bit. We're good, we're good,
Warrior
we're
here
good.
on the left.
Push left, push left.
Widow's hard right across the way.
I got them all.
Nice, 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 nice. Alright,
Fuck.
alright, let's try and combo. We still have a combo ult.
Is there a reason to play? This is my jam.
Right here, let's go left.
Move to the beat.
Trying to take high ground, go up these stairs.
You know what? We should be playing dive against this group. Well, never mind, it just switched to Reaper.
Who's here?
He's literally 1 HP.
Fuck this game, man. It's fucking done.
Reaper down, good job, good job.
I'm on Mercy, Mercy, Mercy.
Push
Mercy gonna res, Mercy gonna try and res. We're up, we're up, we're
Man,
up.
the Widow, man. Holy fucking shit.
Go, 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 go.
Where's the Widow?
I see Widow back,
Top right, top right.
No, she's back 9 point, 9 point.
We gotta keep pushing.
I'm chasing her. She's
Reaper,
up top.
Reaper.
She's up top of low point.
No
Reaper
range.
one.
I'm taking a break after this game. You guys can play without me.
On run, I'm on run.
Regroup.
They switched to Widow again.
I'm not sure how to counter her, so.
We need to get the payload moving.
Yep. Eyes on Widow. Upstairs, 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 upstairs. Go upstairs, upstairs, upstairs. What's up here? What's up here?
Ooh, I'm healing. Widow hit.
Where is he? Where is he? Alright. Is there a drop? I'm dropping, I'm dropping.
Widow's back right. Reaper's behind.
Reaper behind us, Reaper behind us.
Is he?
They're behind
I
us.
see him, I see him.
Get into position.
You're down.
I'll use it down tanks.
This is my jam.
I don't know what to do.
Ash would be fine.
I can't kill Widow on Ash.
Widow's far side right. Watch out, coming out of spawn. Just clear shot. Everyone creep left. Everyone go left.
Never stop fighting.
Left, go left. Just go left. Go left. We have
Yeah,
Shatter.
grab and shatter.
Grab. Let's just go right at him this time. Widow's far side right. Widow's far side right ground. Keep on pushing. Keep on pushing.
Reaper 1.
Okay, that's nice.
They have walls right now.
Till 40.
What if we go away, right, and go around?
That easily.
Yeah, we can try that.
We need to get the payload.
With this kind of comp, we get up and close. We get
Okay, she's
This
right
Widow's
outside
gonna-
the spawn on the right.
She's wanting us to chase.
Fuck her.
Let's go. Let's go right. Go right. Go right. Go right. Everyone go right.
I'm down. Freaking one.
Reaper's gonna be at our tail. You asleep? Reaper no wraith.
Guys, point,
Yeah,
guys.
we're dead. We're dead.
Trying to get the.
I can't do anything against Widow. Like, it doesn't matter what I do or what character I play.
Fuck, I forgot to record.
Play of the game.